If you're trying to make more money online, you've came to the right place. Let me show you in the following video how I generated 1,000 leads in just 7 days.
Affiliate marketing options. Have you been wanting to give your current job the shove for quite some time? Do you have the tune, "Take this job and shove it" as your cell phone ringtone? Would you love to get into your own business but you're afraid of the risk? Well, the fears of risk are nothing to be laughed at. The vast majority of small businesses fail within the first year. There are a variety of reasons, but the financial risk is incredibly high. To minimize the risk, many look into the field of affiliate marketing. This takes about 90% of the risk factor away and allows you to set up a business for yourself. As an affiliate, you do actually work for another company or merchant. You sell either products or services depending on your particular skills and talents. Affiliate programs are great for those that are creative.
So I hope you liked this video. For more information, click the link in the description.